I'm gonna be really honest with you and 100% straightforward, because you know I keep it real on my channel. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell you guys, this is coming from a guy who owns 2 Superbikes in the garage right now. You know, I got the CBR 1000 RR and of course the Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory. And of course, I got my WR250R dual sport and my 2019 YZ450FX, which I'm riding today, which I converted to Supermoto. But I'm going to tell you guys, you know, why the fast sport bikes for street riding are overrated.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
Continually video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
You know, just a while ago, you know, I got a speeding ticket on my Aprilia Tuono. Like it's, oh baby. Woo! See that? They can't hear me, baby. I'm riding out here like I said, like a thief in the night, baby. I think he may have caught me though. Uh-oh. Doing 60 and a 30. And I wasn't, honestly, I just did a quick brap of the throttle. That's it. He caught me when I was hitting the brap of the throttle. Just a quick brap. I wasn't trying to be out there speeding, you know, for, you know, straight up trying to get to 150 or something. I was just a little, I just want to feel the torque. That's it. And I got busted, and I nearly got busted for reckless riding, because anything over 30, they can cite you for reckless riding. Not only arrest you, but they will impound your bike, man. So honestly, it really doesn't pay to speed out here with these sport bikes. They're really kind of useless, man, because it's boring riding a fast bike slow. It truly is. Honestly, if I only had to keep one bike, if I were only allowed to keep one bike, it would be this bike, man. This bike is absolutely amazing, man. Woo! Good times, baby. Get some slide action up in here. Woo! I love sliding out that rear. Woo! And then you can do some dual sport action back here. Good times, man. Challenging, fun. Awesomeness. Good times, baby. And I'll tell you, if you want to have some fun out here, you come out in these like industrial areas, man. You can have some fun. Good times, baby. I'm telling you, this thing will wheelie in every gear, man. Woo! Good times, baby. And these bikes are so lightweight, you can throw them around like nothing, man. Take them real low around the corner. Good times. See, I could do my little speed blast in these industrial areas. Go around them corners real tight. This thing just rips, man. But there's not going to be any cops over here with radar guns trying to get you. This is because they're not going to get hardly anybody in here. You know what I'm saying? And I'll tell you guys that it's so fun feeling the torque and power on this bike, man. Absolutely amazing. These little bikes you can just throw around like nothing. Take it off-road. I got mine set up for Supermoto and dual sport with this bike. Good times, man. And you got to go during off hours though. What's this? Make sure there ain't no cop. Thing is just, oh, these are so fun, man. Forget the sport bikes, guys. I'm telling you, man. Forget it. You guys got to get you Supermoto or dual sport. Much more challenging, much more fun. cops don't even bother you, man, on these dirt bikes and sport and you know, dual sports. They don't bother you. I have never had a cop tell me. I've even had cops wave at me. One time I was on my WR250R, man, and I blew by him in a 25 doing like 55. He didn't even budge. Had I been on my sport bike, bam, I'd have been busted, man. You know, it's like sport bikes are almost like evil out here to the cops that don't ride, because usually the cops that ride, they'll cut you a break, man. But the cops that don't ride, they see the sport bikes as evil, man, and they're going to hit you up for a ticket. They're going to get you, man, because everybody speeds on these super bikes and super sports. Everybody does, and you will get tickets. You know, I'm pretty conservative. You guys see it where I'm kind of conservative out here. Hyper boost on. And I've only had 2 tickets in the last 10 years, man. That last one before I just got that, including the recent one I just got. But I'll tell you guys that not only will you be, cops don't really bother you, at least here in Ohio. I don't know about other places. Won't bother you out here. I'm out here wheeling out here. I gotta cut that out. This bike, it just wheelies on as soon as you crank that throttle, bam, wheel pulls up every time, baby. But see, I like going into the, like I told you guys, I go into the industrial areas, man. Take it real slow when you go in there. Don't make it look like you're trying to do anything. So if a cop does go by, they're not gonna pay attention to you. Slide up in here. I don't even know what this is, man. I don't even know if this is an industrial area. I assume it is. Woo! Good times, baby. What is this, man? Oh, the driving range. Check this out. And I like exploring with a dual sport, man. You can go explore. Hey, what's over here? Is this abandoned? Like I said, cops don't hang out in these industrial areas, and you go after hours, and looks kind of shady over here, man. Check it out. Hey, look, we got abandoned place. Awesome, man. Check it out. I don't know if this is old construction. You can see. I'm not gonna go in there and mess around. Probably built the ceiling could fall on me or something. Messing around. But I go mess around off-road over here, man. Check that out. We got some deer action over here. See, with these Shinko 705s, I can go mess around over here, man. Look at this. Some deer action. Holy smokes, we got them pricker bush things there, man. Oh, about to get clothesline. Getting some slide action. Damn, boy. See, dual sport action, more challenging, more fun. Good times, baby. But I'm telling you, man, this is where it's at. And these bikes, you get on the throttle, you get fucking rips. Like a sport bike, man. It's like you got everything in this bike. Go have fun off road. Woo! Get some slide action out here. Woo! Some donut action. Let me get out of here, man. Bust wheelies. Woo! Get some slide action, baby. Go in a tight spots, fly around the corner. Good times, baby. Which I don't recommend out here on public streets. Try to go do it in low traffic areas, off some private area. But it's so sick. It's only 25 miles an hour, dude. I gotta cool it. But cops don't really bother you on these bikes, man. I'm telling you. Let's go do some hooligan rad. Oh, police officer. Oh, police officer. Forget the sport bikes, guys. Forget. I mean, it's cool to have them, but if you go to do track, it makes sense, you know. But out here with these big 1000cc, my big 1100cc V4 Aprilia Tuono, and I gotta ride around here like this, and this bike that can do 180, and I'm sitting up here doing like 35 miles an hour. It's whack, man. Then you want to have some fun and crank on it. I got, oh baby, woo! And you get busted like I did, can almost end up losing your license and have your bike impounded. Just a split second for something I just did a quick throttle thrust. Like I said, had I did that on this bike, he probably wouldn't even have bothered me, man. But I don't know, man. I'm just telling you like it is. I keep it real with my channel. You know what I'm saying? I keep the sport bike, but honestly, if I, like I said, if I were only allowed to keep one bike, it would be this bike right here, man. Straight up. But anyways, guys, be careful out there on them sport bikes, guys. You know, they're trying to get some extra revenue off of us out here. And they love them sport bikes, baby. They'll let them cruisers pass. They'll let these dual sports slide. But they see you on them sport bikes, boy, them cops gonna get you. So good luck out there. But for those of you guys that want to get my gear, like my camo pants, my boots, gloves, all my stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos, or go to my website at CycleCruza.com, click on the menu tab My Gear, and that's links to all of my stuff.
Thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.